Success isn't handed to you, it's taken. And if you're not where you want to be, it's not because the world is against you, it's because you've been against yourself. Step 1. Face the truth. The first step to success is admitting the harsh truth. You've been making excuses. You've blamed others, circumstances, or luck for your failures, but the only person holding you back is you. Step 2. Set uncomfortable goals. Dream big, but start small. Set goals that scare you, goals that force you to grow. If your goals don't make you uncomfortable, they're not big enough. Step 3. Build habits that hurt in a good way. Success is built on daily habits. Wake up early, work when you don't feel like it, and push through the pain. The habits you build today will define your tomorrow. Step 4. Embrace failure as fuel. Failure isn't the end, it's the beginning. Every setback is a lesson, every mistake a stepping stone. The faster you fail, the faster you'll succeed. Step 5. Cultivate a positive mindset, even when it's hard. Positivity isn't about ignoring the darkness. It's about finding the light in spite of it. Train your mind to see opportunities where others see obstacles. Stop waiting for the perfect moment. Stop waiting for someone to save you. The only person who can change your life is you. Start today. Take one step.